Yeah, so today is our Independence Day celebration in church, right? And if this flag was given to you, church, what did they say about Nigeria's independence? And what?
I don't know.
You don't know? So, they gave him this in church, and I know we celebrated independence some days back. And it got me thinking about the many blessings, how we try to find, to be thankful for what we have, to find something to celebrate about our nation. I was just looking at this flag and I was like, despite what people are going through, this color is still, it signifies something. It signifies growth, it signifies peace, it signifies, life, green. And I was like, Nigeria can be great again. Nigeria can be great again despite all that the citizens are going through. There are so many things that you can celebrate about this nation, Nigeria. Is it our culture, our food, our entertainment, our music that is celebrated worldwide? Name it. Nigerians are very intelligent, the most educated people in the world. Check it, go and check. The most educated people in the world, Nigerians. So, I don't know about you, I've chosen to celebrate, I've chosen to stay positive despite all that is going through in this country. And as a way of celebrating our cultural heritage, and to celebrate how I feel as a Nigerian, proud Nigerian at this moment, I thought of making puff-puff for my son. It is only when you travel out or when you're outside Nigeria that you now understand that we are blessed. We are blessed with food, good food. We are blessed with music. We are blessed with kind people. Nigerians are the most kindest and warmest people in the world. Go check out. So, as a way of marking our independence and celebrating our independence, my only way of celebrating our independence, I'll be making puff-puff for this young man that brought this flag. And reminded me of how proud I should be as a Nigerian. So, join me as we make my own puff-puff. Okay? See ya. So, for this special puff buns recipe, I'll be using 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Yes, remember it's not the regular puff-puff. And I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of sugar. This combination is a special combination for me. And a teaspoon of cinnamon, see, the secret in this ingredient, in this puff-puff recipe is this cinnamon. It is the game changer, I must tell you. Then a tablespoon of salt and evaporated milk, some evaporated milk. I use a combination of evaporated milk and powdered milk. I know some people say, only evaporated, why add powdered milk? I don't know, it just gives it something. It gives it a different taste, that milky, creamy taste that I love so much. I add powdered milk, a bit of powdered milk, and then because I want it to be kind of fluffy, not totally fluffy, I'm going to be using baking yeast for baking. Forgive me. I'm going to be using yeast, a bit of yeast. So I mix yeast in water, then pour it into the mixture and just knead it until it turns into a ball and it's stretchy and, soft. Not totally watery, not runny, but drawy, if I must say, stretchy. You can see my young son helping me. I use cooking as a means of engaging my kids, way to connect to them. I use cooking to connect to them. Sometimes they just want to watch TV, they just want to be on their games. But when I tell them it's time to bake, it's time to cook, come and help me in the kitchen, they love it a lot. So after kneading for some time, cover it and allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. But this time I didn't really allow it to sit because the boy was just on my neck. Mommy, I need the puff-puff, I need puff-puff. So, I went straight away. Because of the mixture, I just wanted it to be a bit fluffy inside, soft inside, and a little crunchy outside, like buns, but not the hard buns. It's in between puff-puff and buns. So I didn't really allow it to sit for too long. Then when the oil got heated, I turned down my gas, the fire, and allowed the puff-puff to fry on low heat. So this is me removing it from the oil after it had turned golden brown. It's just a very simple recipe. You can see the young man trying to pick from the basket. He couldn't wait for me to finish. Very hot. It's nice. Tasty. The cinnamon Sugar, salt and sugar, balance. Cinnamon. I love it. This is so nice. How do you make your puff puff? Proud to be a Nigerian. What's that? Happy Independence, Nigeria. Love you. Bye.